Portland. A quick trip up from LA to meet and hang out with our friends. No big agenda, the goal of the trip was simple. Good food, good drinks, and just a chilled time. This is what we did. We took an early morning flight in and we had to come to Cheryl's for brunch. This is one of our favorite places. You get some free beignets and the Portuguese fried rice right here is the bomb. It is literally so good. And I even got a hot chocolate. It was absolute fire. But let me tell you about the Portuguese fried rice. It's literally heaven in your mouth. The best fried rice with the sausage and just, ooh, it's so good. And some friends joined us later and I had a nice Bloody Mary and some bacon wrapped base. They were delicious. But get the Portuguese fried rice. I'm telling you, please, so good with the egg. We rocked around downtown Portland a little bit before heading to Less and More Coffee. Actually, we just found this spot and it was pretty good. I mean, I just got a black coffee, but the vibe was sick.
So yeah.
Give me your money.
We chilled there for a little before resting up back at our hotel. So you know what time it is? Room tour time. We stayed at Hotel Dossier, I believe that's the name. The room was nice. It was really spacious and the bathroom, so we loved it. From there, we headed to the green room because they make a mean highball, but also because Multnomah Whiskey Library is there, and that is one of my favorite places in Portland. We went there early because we didn't have any reservations, so we were able to walk in, which I think is personally like we got really lucky to do this. One of my friends ordered the old fashioned, which they make tableside, which was super cool to watch. And I got the please and thank you. And it was a fire, little brown butter watermelon corn, some Four Roses bourbon. It was like an elevated French 75. It was absolutely delicious. Of course, I also had to try one of their barrel picks. This one was delicious. I can't remember what it was, but you saw the photo. But if you love whiskey and, you know, everything with whiskey, dude, I 100% recommend this place. I love it so much. Come here every time. Then we headed to Double Dragon. My first time here, but it was recommended we get some food and some drinks. The vibe was sick. I absolutely loved how this bar was, and the food was also amazing. I got the Schumann Special. It was delicious. A little dark, spilled a little, but it is what it is. But dude, the corn ribs were delicious. Absolutely love these. Finished my drink, then we were headed off.
Give me all your money.
Give me all your money.
We took a little detour to Portland's Winter Light Festival. And it was a lot of fun. There was a bunch of things going on. Silent disco, these lights, got free tea. It was delicious. It was fun. But now it's time to drink some more. And we came to the Scotch Lodge. Now, this place was legit. I got the penicillin and it was delicious. Drinks were amazing. But you know, we had to get some oysters, baby. These were absolutely delicious. They came with like some dragon fruit and some other things. It was so good. The crudo was absolute fire, so delicious. And the whipped ricotta, so fluffy. Dude, this place was amazing. Had to get a little sip of something and then called it a night there. But not before heading back to downtown Portland and trying the Pink Rabbit. I got the Urban Legend, which was like a banana-inspired drink. Banana bourbon, yada yada. It was delicious. I love banana drinks. But man, I was falling asleep. So we headed back and then it was day 2. Started out heading towards East Portland for Screen Door, but we got some coffee real quick from No Preference Coffee. And of course, you know what I got? The banana miso latte. Of course, we're sticking with the bananas. I love bananas. Very delicious.
Fire.
So good. Our names finally got called at Screen Door, and man, this place is delicious. All right. For our starters, we got fried okra, fried oysters, and the cinnamon roll. Fried oysters were so good. So salty and crispy and juicy.
Dude, the fried oysters, so good. Oh my god.
The fried okra too, fire. I love okra. So delicious. I don't remember trying the cinnamon toast, but that's all right. I got some biscuits and gravy and some fried catfish on the side. Ooh, dude, this fried catfish.
That's good catfish.
Dude, fire meal. Go to the Screen Door. I recommend it. Delicious. Walked around East Portland a bit before stumbling across Capes and Crepes, where we could just play board games for free. And it was a lot of fun because we were waiting for a friend because we were coming here. whole Run Distillery, and it was really good. I love whiskey tasting, any of that sort, and it was delicious. Super small, like tasting menu, like maybe 5 people max can be on there, but it was cool. Then we headed to Wayfinder Brewery, where we got some dinner, well, like a more appetizer vibe. Got some beer. It was delicious. I don't know what happened to his phone, but not my problem. My beer, I got a hazy. It was delicious. And then we headed to Akadi, a West African restaurant, and it was so cool. The vibe was immaculate. They were playing jazz music, live band. We got our table, got some drinks, and these, so good. These fried chicken just smothered in sauce. Oh, it was so herby, so delicious. I threw it back. It was so good. And the orange one too was so spicy. Oh, my tongue loved it. My stomach the next day, I don't know about that, but I got the fried fish plate, and it was so good. I destroyed the plate. The plantas were delicious. The rice was amazing. It was a really awesome experience because I've never really had West African food per se. It was just so good. To end our trip, we came to Bible Club in Portland. I love this place. There's one in Osaka that had my favorite gin and tonic, or the best gin and tonic I've ever had. But this place was also cool. Didn't have the gin and tonic, but I got the Yuki Blossom. Very subtly sweet and delicious, citrus forward. Loved it. Also got a hot toddy. Didn't film it, but that was basically the end of our trip. So if you enjoyed the video, leave me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.